Welcome back, everybody. Ting here with a pretty awesome build coming. If you've been following me on Instagram, like I've told you, at County Line Forge, or Facebook, you would know that I have a sword in the process of being built. And it's kind of like a Kopis style sword. Yeah, it's a badass sword, isn't it? Yeah, man. Leonidas' sword is awesome. I really like that thing. It's not really a Kopis, but it's a variation of the Kopis. The Spartan sword, I think looks wicked. And here's a picture of the design that I've got going. It kind of almost looks just like it. As best I could. There's no real definite measurements on that sword that I could find online. I could just find they say it's based off of a Kopis, so I went with the standard Kopis measurements that I could find for what the normal Kopis was. And here's a picture of that. So you see what I got going there. Pretty cool, huh? We're not going to make it out of Damascus. We're not going to go crazy because it's a pretty cool ass sword. I don't want to go through all that and then tear it up. So I'm going to make it out of this big drag tine. This is good steel, and there's plenty of it there to make the entire blade and then some. I've made a few blades out of this. It hardens very well in oil. Throws amazing sparks. It's good stuff. As you can see, I've already cut a good 4 inches off here and used to make blades out of it. So, but this is what we're going to use. We're going to use the gas forge and try and get this consolidated into a usable bar, so we can adhere to our measurements and go from there. So yeah, let's get to it, guys. Should be fun. folks, there it is as forged. Came in just a touch narrower here in this dimension that I wanted, about a ½ inch. So it's not major, but it is just a shy bit under what I was aiming for. If you want to see the actual thought process behind this, all the measurements and the layout and what I'm going through, figuring out how I'm doing all this stuff, go to my Patreon. I'll leave a link in the description, as well as at the end of the video. Just $1 a month will get you signed up for my Patreon, and there's a lot of other perks that come with that, so go over there and check that out. And you'll get a lot longer video on this too. You'll get a link to private video on this build. So next video is going to be the profile grind and clean up and everything and getting it ready and heat treating it. So we'll have to cut the tang in down here, because I plan on just cutting that in because I want to keep it good and clean. But other than that, stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you then.